Hey there, Pueblo, Colorado residents. Today we're going to talk about a common household issue that can cause a lot of frustration: garbage disposal problems. Whether your garbage disposal is jammed, clogged, or leaking, these issues often arise from improper use or regular wear and tear. Let's dive into the common problems you might encounter with your garbage disposal, how to fix them, and when to call in the professionals. Garbage disposals are incredibly handy, but they can also be prone to a few common problems. Let's start with jams. A garbage disposal can get jammed when hard objects like bones, fruit pits, or even certain fibrous vegetables like celery get stuck in the blades. Next up, clogs. Clogs usually occur when too much food waste is put down the disposal at once, or when inappropriate items like grease, coffee grounds, or eggshells are introduced into the system. These materials can accumulate in the pipes and cause blockages. Lastly, leaks. Leaks can develop from the unit itself or from the connections to the sink or dishwasher. These leaks are often due to worn-out seals, loose connections, or even cracks in the disposal unit. Here's a quick DIY tip for fixing a jammed garbage disposal. First, turn off the power to the disposal. This is crucial for your safety. Use a flashlight to look inside the disposal and see if you can spot the object causing the jam. Using tongs or pliers, carefully remove the object. If you can't see anything, use the disposal's wrench, which is often included with the unit, to manually turn the blades and dislodge the jam. If your disposal is clogged, try using a plunger on the sink drain or a plumber's snake to clear the blockage. For leaks, check all connections and seals. Tighten any loose connections and replace worn-out seals. However, if these issues persist or you're not comfortable handling the repairs yourself, it's time to call in the professionals. Our team of qualified plumbers in Pueblo, Colorado, can diagnose and fix your garbage disposal problems quickly and efficiently, preventing further damage and ensuring your kitchen runs smoothly. Call us today at 16147390141. That's 16147390141. Don't wait, call now and let the experts handle it. Thanks for watching. For more plumbing tips, stay tuned.